Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by narrowing what you need and why: a repo URL for cloning, a profile link, or a raw file. Once you have the repo name and owner, open GitHub or a search engine. Type exact terms in quotes or use Cite, GitHub. Com plus the repo name to reduce noise. Make sure you choose HTTPS if you want a quick copy-paste, or SSH if you have keys set up. Start with precise keywords to get direct hits fast. You now find the repository page and confirm the link type. Once on the repo, look at the address bar for the canonical HTTPS URL. That often suffices. If you need to clone, click the code button to reveal HTTPS, SSH, or CLI options. Copy the one matching your workflow. Make sure to verify the repo owner and path, and check tags or releases to confirm the version. If you plan automation, choose the exact protocol and copy it cleanly. You finish by using the link where you need it, cloning locally, adding to CI, or sharing with a teammate. Once done, test it. Run a git clone or a simple curl to ensure the resource responds. If you hit permission denied, make sure the repo visibility and your credentials match. For private repos, use SSH keys or a personal access token. If the link points to the wrong repo, recheck owner's spelling and select the correct fork or organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.